Hi everyone. So welcome to the course CI 2312 6 Drugs and the Internet. So at first, thank you so much for taking this course. I'm really looking forward to working with you this semester. And this course is designed to educate students about the current dangers and risks lurking on the Internet. So particularly for the youth and those that could potentially arise with the future developments and innovations. So now I'm going to show you how to use this camera system. If you have never used it before, so please watch this one carefully. So every Wednesday, you will receive an email from me. You can just use the link in the email to get access to the week session. And also what you can do is to input cameras.umn.edu. So like this one, then log in your account and select the course. Then you can go to the front page. So this is the link to the front page. So this is the front page of our course, and then just choose a week picture. Like this week is week 1, so just choose the week 1 picture. It will lead you to the week station. You can also find previous week stations in this front page. So after you go to the week page, the first thing you can do is to check the task list. It can help you know how many tasks we have this week. Then you can check the assignment one by one. Every assignment will have a detailed explanation. And if it needs to submit something, there will be a deadline just under the task name, like this one. This is the example. And also, if you need to submit, there will be the direct link to the place you need to submit something. So if you have problems, you can watch the introduction video every week. I will try to publish an introduction video every week to help you. So now I'm going to show you the week 1 page. So this week we have 6 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this welcome video. We have 6, and the second one is to investigate our camera site and make yourself familiar with this one, because this will be very important in the following weeks. And the third one is to add a profile photo to your camera's account, so it can help you know each other better. These are the steps for adding a profile photo. If you still have problem, please watch this video. So this video is made by one of our previous teachers in this course, and it will be very helpful. So the next one is to use Flipgrid to finish your self-introduction. It is a great chance to know each other and then to build a great online community. So these are the guiding questions. You can also share some other highlights to make people remember you. One thing to note is that you can only use your university email to log in. Only the students in this course can see it, so do not worry about that. So after the self-introduction, it is a reading assignment this week. So this week, you only need to read the course syllabus very carefully, and in the next assignment, you will need to finish a questionnaire for the syllabus. And this is the link to the questionnaire, so it will only take 3 minutes to finish all of the questions. So that's all for the first week. And if you have any question, definitely feel free to send an email to me. I will reply in 24 hours. Or you can just post your questions in the discussion question session. I hope you will enjoy the course and have a great week. Thank you so much, and see you next week.